Okay, guys. This we can see Azure to Azure. Just for the first of all, this Azure to Azure BCDR. We first need to create this, as well as for all the same, we need to create the recovery service wallet here. This service wallet is I'm already created before, but even though I'm showing again for you, if you're all, how can we create the service wallet again? Just it's loading. Just these are some details we give here. I'm selecting my region, just selecting my subscription here, then just entering the wallet, test wallet here, and here the region is East US. Then just click review and create. You can just create this all those things, but I don't create it again because I'm already created these things. So I go with that previously created one. This rec wallet is already created recovery service wallet. If you come inside the recovery wallet, you can see like the same images. Now we can go to the site recovery option. We can option of that Azure virtual machine. We already did the physical machine Hyper-V. Then we can move to the enable replication for these things. For that, before enabling the replication, we need to create the VM. Which VM we need to go to migrate. Else it's not detected. If you go to the enable replication, you can ask some more questions for this resource. And this virtual machine part, we don't have right now any virtual machines. That's why it's showing empty. We just going again to and create the new virtual machine for these things. Just click create and go with this virtual machine new. Just click within this is Jagdish or G group. Just give the VM 01. This is my VM name. Here I'm selecting East US. Then here we will select Windows 2016 data server. This is basic memory storage there. Here we can give this username and we select the password for this. I already saved that password. That's it's showing the same. Okay, the two password is matched. Now we can move for further things. Just this leave it as it is. Just click enable the license is okay. Okay, just click this enable. See, once again we check all this out completed. Then we move again and we have just click the next disk. For this here we can select SSD for that for testing purpose we are using this as per your requirement you can use it. This it's automatically create the VNet and we no need to do any changes for this. Okay, then click next again. Just go with the review create. Just we can check out this cost wise per hour how much it's VM going to consume there. Then we can just click create. It takes some more minutes to create this VM. We will wait for that. Okay, now the VM is deployed successfully. Just here we are going to do that enable the replication option. Then see here we can this virtual machine is detected. The source we give the some of this basic information about the source location, and as it is what are the basic requirements here. Then after that we can move to the next part. If we can, what are the virtual machine available in this region? It's in this resource group. It's everything. We just click out here. We selected manage one and click to next part. See here, just we can select the whatever region we going to migrate this from this DR. How can we recover it? Just we can just click out this best US here. Just enable the replication here. That's it. After this replication is completed, we can moving this system to that east US to that replicated into the west US. We can see there. Wait for some 1 minute. It takes some time to deployment. This enablement part is ongoing now. We can see that enable replicating is now going in this process. This is the site recovery jobs. If it's completed the all job in the success manner, we can expect our system is completed the operation successfully. Just wait a second. I check it and inform you. Wait a second, 2 seconds.
உன் லேப்பை என்ன பண்ணா ஆனா
Hey,